Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today is a wonderful day. If you don't follow me on my other channel, which is Smokey Uncuffed. I let a video go on it yesterday, and I explained that as of Saturday, I'm officially retired. It was my anniversary date, my 20th anniversary for the Oklahoma Highway Patrol, and I am done. And so the Thursday before that, I took all my stuff, turned it all in, through. So now I can focus on the stuff that I want to do for a while and my wife wants to do for a while. So today I'm doing a video over an FFA plaque. It's for a buddy of mine. It's his daughter. She goes to Purcell FFA, and we're going to cut a plaque for her, and has the FFA implemented all of her information on there. And so let's get to it. Alright, well that obviously didn't go as planned. I'd screwed up the wording at the bottom of the plaque. So instead of just wasting the image that I'd already cut out, I decided to go ahead and just make it into a Purcell FFA plaque. And the young lady, whenever I get her plaque done, with all of her wording down at the bottom, she can take this with it, and I'm just going to donate it to Purcell FFA. I mean, instead of letting something like that go to waste, I mean, it came out awesome. There is some beautiful detail in that. So I messed up. I didn't do the wording right, so I had the guy come over and he looked at it and it wasn't right, so I just chopped it off, made it into a Purcell FFA plaque, and we're going to cruise on with that. So guys, if y'all hadn't done so yet, please run over to my Smokey Uncuffed, check out what I've got going on over there. The last video I let go on there was it was about some traffic law stuff. And if y'all hadn't done so yet, please subscribe to this one, and I'll see y'all next time.